Hello, I am Devanshu, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can repurpose your content within a few clicks using Canva. As per Backlinko, repurposing content, which is also known as content recycling, so it is a practice of reusing all or elements of existing content in order to expand that content's reach. So for example, let's say you created one post for your Instagram. Now you want to use same post over LinkedIn or Twitter. Since LinkedIn or Twitter is having altogether a different format, you might like to change your form. Likewise, if you want to post it on YouTube, you would require a piece of video. So let us check it out how you can do it in a second. So let me show you one content of mine. So here is something that I posted just a few days back on Instagram. So this is something I created for Instagram. Let me open this post. So you can see all the dimensions here are for the Instagram. But now the question comes, if I want to post it over LinkedIn. Now let me tell you a quick secret. If you want to repurpose the content for LinkedIn from your Instagram post, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is go to download section and click over the PDF format. Since PDF is a preferred format to share content on LinkedIn. Reason I am telling you, for instance, if it is a carousel image, if you want to give same feel, you will have to post it over in you require to post it on LinkedIn. So let me quickly show you. For instance, here you can see there is one post. Here is the same post. Now what I did, I simply changed this post into the PDF format, and this is the PDF format that you are seeing over here. In a similar way you can convert it. So this is just one way. Now what if you want to post it over Twitter? What if you want to post it over Pinterest? So LinkedIn, I have told you, for other you can always resize it. For instance, the dimension of Instagram are different than dimensions of other platforms. So go to resize, and there you will find a lot of these are the recent ones. There you will find a lot of formats to choose from. Now let's say I want to post it over a social media site. So I can search it over here, like I can search it over here. So let's say I want to do it over Pinterest. If I search for Pinterest pin, just click over it, copy and resize. If you choose resize, it will change the format at this image, at this canvas only. So let's choose copy and resize. Now you can see the format has altogether changed. If I show you this format versus this format, altogether it has been changed. Now what I can do, I can if I want to post it like this, I can do that as well. But if you want to adjust it, you can adjust it. Let's say if I want to drag this picture over here or here, so it's up to you how you want to do it. But in nutshell, you would be able to do it quickly. Whereas if I talk about even professional tools, that would require you some good time to repurpose your content. So this is one way of doing it. This is how I do it. Here a lot of platforms are available. You can choose a platform of your choice and resize the content within a few minutes. So that's a quick tip on how you can repurpose content using Canva. Likewise, if you want to change it into video, what you can do, probably you want to add some music into video. So you need to click over music. Once you click over music, you can pick the music, whatever the music you want to add, and you would see it has been changed to the video now. You can see it has started. So this is how you can convert into video as well. Videos, Jiffies, there are a lot of ways to do this. If I go to download section, I can show you here. So you want to convert into GIF, choose zip file. No sound would be there. You want to convert into MP4, you can do that as well. So this was a quick tip on how you can repurpose content using Canva. I hope you like this video. Do let me know your feedback in comments. Thank you. Thanks for watching.